This is an average man potato and egg sauce. So I'm going to be teaching you how I made this in this video. Welcome to PC Charles TV. Please subscribe and like this video. So these are all the things I'm going to be using to make this potato and egg sauce. You can see my potato, my egg, my tomato, pepper, groundnut oil and onion. So first of all, I boiled the potato. So this is the process of me boiling the potato. First of all, washed the potato, I diced it into half, then I put it inside the pot. In the pot, I've already placed my water there. Yes, so after putting the potato inside the pot, I added a little bit of salt so that it can diffuse to the potato. Do you get? You learn diffusion and osmosis. There they are. I put the pot on the gas, then I put it on. So while boiling the potato, I am preparing for my egg sauce. So I blended the pepper with manual blender. Yes, blended with manual blender. While my tomato, I diced it. Yes, you don't want it to. You're not making stew. It's sauce, so you don't need to blend your tomato. You dice it so that you can see your chunk of tomato in your sauce. You understand? So dice it. I sliced my onion also. So I checked the potato whether it's done already. Yeah, I checked it with my knife whether it's done already. So after then, I broke my eggs into the plates and I whisked it. You know, after dicing the tomato and blending the pepper, slicing the onions, it's time for the eggs. Right? Yes. So I finished whisking the eggs. So it's time for us to start making our egg sauce. So I placed another pot on the fire. Allowing it to heat and get dried. Then I added my groundnut oil, your desired amount of groundnut oil. You know you are eating it with potato, so you need a reasonable amount of oil so that you get your egg sauce will not be dried. So you need a reasonable amount of oil. So I added my onion, added my tomato first, my diced tomato. Then I also added my blended pepper. Yes. Then I allowed it to get dried. You know the tomato has water and you are doing a sauce, so you don't need water. No, you are not doing stew, so you allow it to get dried. Then I added my maggi so that it will further get dried. The water will further get dried. Then I added my salt. You don't need much ingredients in your egg sauce. That maggi I added was a little bit of maggi. It was not much, a little bit of maggi. So you don't need much ingredients for egg sauce. So as I'm frying my egg sauce, I'm also checking the potato if it's done. Yeah, so just making the work faster and easier. You get. So still frying the tomato and pepper. You can see that it's fried already. It's dried. It's going to look like this. The water is dried. So we are going to add our egg into it. I'm going to add our egg. Yeah, I'm adding my egg, my whisk egg inside. So you're just going to be stirring the egg inside so that it will not get burnt. It will not get burnt. Me, I'm using pots, but you can also use your frying pan for this. You can also use your frying. Sometimes I use my frying pan, but in this video I'm going to be using a pot. So you just be stirring it a little bit so that it will not get burnt under, because if you leave it for a longer time, the egg is going to get burnt. So just be stirring it, leave it a little, just seconds, stir again. You get, leave it, let it fry, stir again till it's done. You feel that it's done to your desire. Some people, they like their egg half done. Some people, they like it very, very fried, even almost burnt self, like not almost burnt, like very, very done. So just fry it to your desired texture, or I say texture, or the desired way you want it. So just keep on stirring, frying, and understand. So my egg sauce is basically ready. You can see it's done. So I put off the gas. Yes, so it's time to eat. So it's time to eat our potato. So you have to peel the back of the potato. Now that it is done, it's going to be easier for you to peel the back. So I've peeled the back of the potato. Now placing my egg beside my potato. So please, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so be the first one to get notified when I post a new video. How do you see my excess emperor? Potato. Okay, see you. Bye.